So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create or how to add a video into a design here on Visme. So once Visme is open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left hand side of your screen, go down to this option right here. This is media and press on it. Then once you're here, you can go to the top and press on videos. Now what you can either do is find some stock videos if you want. You can go to my videos or embed a video from let's just say YouTube, for example, but just for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and view some stock of videos right here. So we're going to go down to where it says business and professionals, press on all. And if you just want to do this first one right here of what appears to be a business meeting, people, talking, for instance, you can go ahead and add that into your design and, kind of play around with it this way and go pretty straightforward. So what you can also do is view a whole bunch of different videos. So you can go to this one, for example, of this one celebrating right here. It's just processing. Once that is done, the video will play. And there you go. A pretty straightforward process on how you guys can upload a video into Visme on your device or on the web browser. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.